Tell us something about your background.
Basically, I'm from Ambedkar Nagar, but born and brought up in Lucknow. And I have been a student of Lucknow University, and I've been serving as assistant professor in BHU Varanasi since 2007. Recently, I met Bahan Kumari Mayawati ji on 21st of March, and from then and there, my political career started. And I am before you as a contestant in Lalganj Lok Sabha 68 of Azamgarh.
Tell us something about your stint as an assistant professor.
In India, it is said that wherever you go, if you do not carry anything with you, you carry your caste. So before I reached BHU, my caste was like it was behind me. It was before me. Before I reached BHU. So the very first experience that I got in BHU was related to my caste, and that had to that forced me to face the most worst situation in campus within 1 year of my joining. So that harsh reality I have faced because of my caste, that cannot be explained in few words. But yes, I'll just say that I had to stay one whole night in on road in BHU campus only because of my caste. So this caste discrimination led me to think that the root cause of these discrimination, I'll move forward within our people and empower them to the extent that if anybody asks them their caste, or if they try to humiliate them, at least they can stand up, they can say they can stand up, and legally they can respond accordingly.
Tell us something about your social moment.
I means when I got that caste discrimination experience in BHU, from that very moment, I started my campaign in the eastern part of Uttar Pradesh, specifically in Azamgarh. That time, I had no idea that I had to contest from this very seat, and this was started as a small meeting of 20 to 25 people, and now so many people in lakhs, they are coming to just hear me, and also to empower themselves, to feel themselves empowered. We are focusing on the life and movement, and also the mission of Manevar Kanshiram Sahib and Baba Sahib, the glorious contribution of our forefathers that are that are being that remain unnoticed among our common people. That is our primary target, to rejuvenate the mission of Mahatma Jyotiba Phule, Periyar, Ramaswamy Naikar, Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj, Ami Fatima Sheikh, Baba Sahib, Dr. Ambedkar, Manevar Kanshiram Sahib, and so many other people, Lalai Singh Yadav ji, so many other people. So we are trying to rejuvenate their mission here within our common fraternity. Starting from Lalganj, it has now taken a mission throughout the country.
What do you think about the surge of Brahmanism amongst the Dalits in Uttar Pradesh, the regions and the leadership?
The Brahmanism basically was a problem, but with the enactment of the constitution, things have come under control. But yes, the caste conflict still remains. But the Bahujan movement that was led by Manevar Kanshiram Sahib.
Do you agree that the Ambedkarite forces have failed to stop the saffronization of the Dalit community?
No, I don't agree with this statement. Saffronization, it is just a concept, and concepts, they are like it is. You can say revolution and counter revolution. So revolution, obviously it was Ambedkarite movement itself is a revolution. Now they are countering our revolution. They'll never be successful because the root of our Ambedkarite movement is so deep that even 5 6 year young boy or young girl, a child, they also say Jai Bhim, Jai Bhim. We are going to vote for elephant. They say that we are going to vote for you. This is in depth. It has gone in depth, and it cannot be moved. Yes, you can say that the poor infrastructure and also so many other things, the allurement that is being given to them in the name of ration and all. So it is just for the time being, and after the elections are over, everything is crystal clear. Saffronization cannot be done within Dalit community. Yes, people are everywhere. So some people can be deviated, but ultimately they will have to return back to their roots. So it is totally a fake concept. I don't agree with this, and I do say that Ambedkarite movement will stand, and saffronization cannot affect our community.
द मूक नायक जनवादी पत्रकारिता करता है। यह संविधान, लोकतंत्र और सामाजिक न्याय पर चलने वाला चैनल है। अगर आप भी चाहते हैं द मूक नायक हमेशा हाशिए पर खड़े लोगों की आवाज़ बुलंद करता रहे, बेजुबानों की पीड़ा दिखाता रहे, तो सपोर्ट कीजिए। सपोर्ट करने वाला लिंक आपको स्क्रीन पर दिखाई दे रहा होगा। साथ ही डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाकर भी आपको ये लिंक मिलेगा, जहाँ पर जाकर आप हमें सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं और हमारे काम को आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं।